Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme C55, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on this device. So firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port, and I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So firstly, take the cover off if you have the cover. Insert the one part of the toothbrush to the connector and brush the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.